Do you ever feel like your brain just won't shut up? Overthinking is draining your energy every single day. But what if you could actually control it? Trick 1. Label your thoughts. Trick 2. Shift from problem to action. Trick 3. Set a worry time. Your mind becomes quiet and clear. Follow for more psychology hacks. Your brain produces thousands of thoughts every single day. But here's a simple trick. Thought labeling. Instead of reacting, just name it. This reduces activity in your fear center. From chaos to control. Catch it. Label it. Let it go. Trick number 2 is a powerful tool to stop overthinking instantly. Meet Rahul, a software engineer stuck in constant overthinking. Before an important presentation, his thoughts spiral out of control. He uses the 5-4-3-2-1 grounding technique. 5 things you see, 4 you feel, 3 you hear, 2 you smell, 1 you taste. It brings your mind back to the present instantly. This activates your brain's control center and stops overthinking. Your brain doesn't stop. It just keeps thinking. The more you try to stop thoughts, the stronger they get. Instead, give your thoughts a schedule. During the day, don't fight thoughts. Just postpone them. At the scheduled time, you face them calmly. Now your mind feels lighter and in control. Pick a time. Postpone thoughts. Process them later. Structure gives your brain peace. Overthinking starts with a belief you never tested. Behavioral experiments help you test those fears like a scientist. Alex believed if he didn't overprepare, people would think he's incompetent. His experiment: prepare just 30 minutes instead of 3 hours. Result? No one noticed. He performed even better. Here's how you can do it. This rewires your brain and kills overthinking fast. Test your thoughts. Don't trust them blindly. You are often your own worst critic. We talk to ourselves harsher than anyone else ever would. But here's the shift. What would you tell your best friend? Would you insult them or support them? This activates self-compassion and stops the spiral. Treat yourself like someone you care about, and everything changes. Less judgment, more clarity, less overthinking. So there you have it. 5 powerful psychology tricks to stop overthinking forever. Thought labeling, 5-4-3-2-1 grounding, scheduled worry time. Remember, this is not about never having another worrying thought. It's about not letting those thoughts control your life. Start with just one technique today. Small consistent action beats perfect planning. If you found value, like, comment, and share. Next week, how to build unshakable confidence. You've got this. Your calmer, more focused life starts now.